Alright students, today we are not just solving a physics problem, we are tackling a problem from the ISI JRF, that is the Junior Research Fellowship Entrance Examination. Now for those who don't know, the Indian Statistical Institute is the final boss of the math and physics in India. Okay, so look at the question first. The question says the top of a wheel of mass m and radius r is connected to a spring at its equilibrium length with spring constant k as shown in the figure, and this is the figure. Okay, now if the wheel rolls without slipping, determine the frequency of small oscillations. Assume the wheel's mass is entirely concentrated at its center. Okay, just give me a second. Okay, so look at this wheel first. It's got a mass capital M and radius capital R with a spring attached to its top. So usually springs are attached to the center, right? But the ISI examiners like to spice things up. They put the spring at the top just to see if your brain does a 360-degree flip. Okay? So they also told us something weird. The mass is entirely concentrated at its center. Wait, if the mass is at the center, what does that mean for the moment of inertia? If it's a point mass at the center, it's not a disk or hope. Okay, and the moment of inertia is about its own center. I is actually 0. Okay, and this is the first trap. So let's dive in. Before we solve, let's talk about the rolling without sleeping. Rolling without sleeping. Okay, now when a wheel rolls without slipping, the point touching the ground is at rest for a split second. Okay, you can imagine the whole wheel is just pivoting around that contact point P. Now if the center moves by x, the top where the spring is moves by 2x. Okay, and the center has velocity v and the top velocity, that is 2v. Okay, now why does this matter? Because the spring is being stretched twice as much as you think it is. Okay, so if the wheel moves right by x, the spring stretches by s equal to 2x. Okay, now let's use the energy method. It's cleaner than using the torques, and I'm feeling just classy today. The total energy E of the system is kinetic plus potential. So if I talk about the potential energy of the spring stretch is 2x, right? So U will be half into k into 2x whole square, that is 2kx square, right? Now if I talk about the kinetic energy, since ICM is 0, the mass is at the center and the wheel has no rotational kinetic energy relative to its center, it only has transitional kinetic energy. So K is what? Half into m into x square. Okay, now if it were a solid disk, we would add half I omega square, but the problem gave us a cheat code by concentrating the mass at the center. So if I talk about the equation of motion, the total energy is what? E equal to half m x square plus 2k x square. Okay, and since energy is conserved, so d dt equal to 0. So we can say that is 0. Now cancel the velocity x dot and we get what? Mx double dot plus 4kx equal to 0, or x double dot plus 4k by m into x equal to 0. Now does this look familiar? It's a simple harmonic motion equation. Okay, that is x double dot plus omega square x is equal to 0. So our angular frequency is what? Angular frequency will be omega equal to root over of 4k by capital M, that is 2 root k by m, right? And the question asks for the frequency, not the angular frequency. So don't let the examiner win at the finish line. Okay, so f is what? Omega by 2 pi, that is 2 into root k by m by 2 pi. So that is 1 by pi root over of k by m. Okay, so this is the answer. So what did we learn today? Mass at center changed the whole dynamic, and moving the attachment point to the top doubles the displacement, which quadruples the potential energy. Okay, and they take the simple concept ISI and move the furniture around to see if you trip in the dark. So don't trip, switch on the light of the energy method. Okay, so if I talk about the spring attachment, just give me a second. Yes, if I talk about the spring attachment, then center is usually x. Okay, and for the ISI you can say the top to x. Okay, and the moment of inertia that is half into m r square, that is for the disk, and this is 0 for the mass at center. Okay, and yes, if I talk about the spring energy, that is half into kx square, and for this question this is 2kx square. Okay, so this is all about this question. Okay, so we will meet at the next session with a new question. Till then, keep learning and keep growing with only Dr. Shaurav's classes. Bye bye guys, and take care.